Hello, air fryers. If you never tried making cornbread in an air fryer, this is your sign. We're starting with the basics by cracking 1 medium egg. Then add 2/3 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Grab a whisk and mix it all together until smooth and combined. No lumps, no drama. Now pour in 1 cup of milk and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Do another round of whisking until everything is well combined. It should look smooth and a bit frothy. That is your wet base. So it's time to add the dry ingredients. Through a sifter, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then 1 cup of yellow cornmeal and about 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Give it a quick stir to mix the dry ingredients and then sift them right into the bowl. Sifting keeps things light, and that's the secret to soft, fluffy cornbread. Whisk it gently until everything comes together into a soft, pourable batter. While we're mixing, don't forget to subscribe to stay connected and cooking together. And now, the moment of truth. Carefully pour the batter onto the parchment paper. It might look thin, but don't worry. It will rise up beautifully in the air fryer. You can use a spatula to even out the top, or just tilt the basket like you're playing a gentle game of Tetris. Set the temperature to 310 degrees Fahrenheit or 155 degrees Celsius and cook for 25 minutes. This part smells amazing, like warm corn and sweet vanilla. When it's done, just look at that golden top and a bit crisp edge. It looks and smells amazing. Give it a few minutes to cool, just enough so you don't scorch your mouth, but not so long that it loses that fresh baked magic. What would you add to make it your own? Drop your ideas in the comments. Always happy to hear your take. Just look at that fluffy piece. It's soft, golden, and smells like the holiday's already there. And now, let's finish with a bit magic. Add a little pat of butter right on top while it's still warm. Then, drizzle over a bit of maple syrup. It melts into the top, fills every crack, and turns your simple cornbread into a dessert-worthy bite. If this recipe made you hungry, give it a like. Subscribe for more easy air fryer recipes, and we'll see you in the next one.